operation on sets. Operation on sets. First topic is intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Here let A and B are two sets. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equal to 2, 3. A and B both are different sets. Then what is mean by intersection? So in these two sets A and B, A is a set of natural number, again B is a set of natural number. Intersection means intersection is denoted by this sign. This is the intersection. Okay, this sign is denoted by intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Intersection, this sign denotes by intersection. Okay, then intersection of two sets. A intersection B, it is read as A intersection B. Intersection means common element in both the sets. Common elements means 2, 3. Here 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 both are common elements. So here write down 2, 3 are the 2 and 3. This set is the intersection of A and B. So A intersection B equal to 2, 3 means in intersection set all the common elements in two sets. Okay, 2 and 3 is common elements. So definition of intersection of two sets given in page number 11. Suppose A and B are two sets. The set of all common elements of A and B is called the intersection of set A and B. It is denoted as A intersection B and read as A intersection B. Means intersection means the common element of both the sets. Here 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 are the common elements of two sets. Therefore A intersection B equal to 2, 3. Second example, this is the first example, this is second example. A equal to A, B, C, D, E and B equal to A, E, I, O, U. Then A intersection B equal to A and A, here A and A common, then E, here E and E again common, same element. Therefore A comma E, A and E both are the common elements. Therefore A intersection B equal to A, E. Intersection of two sets. Second topic is union of two sets. Union of two sets means all the elements of both the sets. Okay, इंटरसेक्शन में सिर्फ कॉमन एलिमेंट लेना है जो दोनों सेट में है, मगर यूनियन में ऑल एलिमेंट्स लेना है. दोनों भी सेट के टोटल एलिमेंट लेना है, सिर्फ एक एलिमेंट एक बार ही लेना है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड यूनियन ऑफ टू सेट्स. यूनियन ऑफ टू सेट्स इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल यू. This is the union. Means if A and B both are different set, that is A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equal to 2 and 3 and therefore A union B. Union of two sets denoted by A union B. Capital union, U means capital U, union means capital U. So A union B equal to, here all the elements of both the sets. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 3 both are same. Therefore we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 2, 3, 2, 3 यहाँ पर same है. So write down 2 and 3 only once. 2 and 3 एक बार ही लिखना है, उसको repeat नहीं करना है. Then remaining elements 1, 4, 5. So total elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the union. And number of elements. Number of elements is denoted by small n. Small n is equal to number of elements. how many elements in these sets. Suppose in A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the natural number. Okay, then how many elements in set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements. Therefore, n of A equal to 5. Then B, how many elements are there? 1, 2. Therefore, n of B equal to 2. Then how many elements of A intersection B? Then n of A intersection B equal to 1, 2. Then 2. 2 elements. There are 2 elements. Then how many elements of A union B? Then n of A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Therefore, there are 5 elements. Therefore, n of A union B equal to 5. This is the number of elements in a set and it is denoted by small n. Okay, this is the union of two sets. Third point is disjoint sets, means different sets. No elements common in both the sets. Third point is disjoint sets. Third point is disjoint. Disjoint set. Disjoint set are two sets are said to be disjoint sets if they have no common element. Yes, disjoint means, for example, A equal to 2, 3, 4 and set B equal to 1, 5, 6. So, set A and set B both are different elements, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6. No one elements common in both these sets. So, A and B are called as disjoint set, different sets. A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Then page number 12, disjoint sets. Confirm that not a single element is common in set A and B. These sets are completely different from each other. So, the set A and B are disjoint sets. Then last point is number of elements in a set. Number of elements in union and intersection of sets. Number of elements is denoted by small n. Number of elements is denoted by small n. Okay. The number of elements in union and intersection of sets can be written as n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the number of elements in union and intersection of sets. N of A union B means number of elements of A union B equal to number of set A plus number of set B minus number of elements of A intersection B. Okay. Then exercise 3 point, practice set. One point 4. 1.4. First problem. 3 and 4th problem are reduced in this exercise. First problem. If n of A equal to 15. N of A equal to 15. N of A union B equal to 29. N of A intersection B equal to 7. And n of B equal to question mark. Solution. Write the number of elements in union and intersection of sets. Values, some values are given. N of A 15, n of A union B. Put all the values in this number of elements in union and intersection of sets. And we know that n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, so n of A equal to, first n of A union B, n of A union B equal to 29. Then write down here 29 equal to, value of n of A is 15 plus we have to find n of B, so n of B as it is minus n of A intersection B equal to 7. Then 29 equal to 15 minus 7, 8 plus n of B. Okay, side change. Therefore, 8 plus n of B equal to 29 and n of B equal to 29 minus 8, and therefore n of B equal to 29 minus 8, that is 21. So, the value of n of B is 21. N of B equal to 21. Problem number 2. In a hostel, there are 125 students, out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee and 20 drink tea and coffee both. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. Okay, so second problem, solution. Second, in a hostel there are 125 students. So hostel means big set, that is called universal set. So U is a set of U is a set of students in hostel. Then, out of which 80 drink tea. T is a set of students. T is a set of students who drink tea. Then C is a set of students who drink coffee. And okay, therefore U is a set of students in hostel, and how many students in hostel? 125. Therefore N of U equal to 125. Then T is the set of students who drink tea. Then 80 drink tea, means N of T equal to 80. Then 60 drink coffee. Then N of C equal to 60. Then and 20 drink tea and coffee both. Both means intersection. Therefore N of T intersection C equal to 20. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. So by using our formula, we have N of A union B equal to, here A union B, यहाँ पर क्या है अब T और C. So here N of T union C equal to N of T plus N of C minus N of T intersection C. N of T equal to 80, N of C equal to 60 and N of T intersection C equal to 20. So 80 plus 60, 140 minus 20 equal to 120, means N of T union C. And T union C means N of T intersection C means both who drink tea and coffee. The total students in hostel is 125. Okay, so 120 students drink tea and coffee both. Therefore, how many students do not drink tea or coffee? here n of students who do not drink tea or coffee, who do not drink tea or coffee. So therefore n of u minus n of t union c. n of u is 125 minus 120 equal to 5. Therefore 5 students who do not drink, 5 students who do not drink tea or coffee. Then question number 3, 4 reduced. Question number 5. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the following sets. Elements of set A. Elements of set is x, y, z, m, n. Elements of set B. P, Q, R, M, N. A union B means common element, that is M, N. U means all universal sets, big set. So all the elements write in universal set. So x, y, z, m, n, p, q, r and s, t. A complement means जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट ए में, जो एलिमेंट्स ए में है वो नहीं लेना है, जो नहीं है वो लेना है. तो ए में कौन से एलिमेंट है, एक्स, वाई, जेड. रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स, टोटल रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स लेना है यूनिवर्सल सेट से. सो दैट इज ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स जो एलिमेंट बी में है वो नहीं लेना है. ठीक है, जो नहीं है वो लेना है. कहाँ से लेना है, यूनिवर्सल सेट में से. एंड ए यूनियन बी, जो ए यूनियन बी में है वो नहीं लेना है. रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स आएंगे ए यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट में. Then problem set 1 for your homework. If you have any problem, contact with me. Okay, here your first chapter sets has been completed. Okay.